Welcome to the instructions video for the Diffraction Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you analyze how light bends and creates interference patterns when passing through slits or gratings. Whether you're studying single slit, double slit, or grating diffraction, this calculator computes angular positions and pattern characteristics instantly. Let's walk through how to use this calculator. First, select your diffraction type from the drop-down menu. Choose between single slit, double slit, or diffraction grating configurations. Next, enter the wavelength of light in nanometers. For visible light, this typically ranges from 400 to 700 nanometers. We'll enter 550 nanometers for green light. Then, input the slit width or separation distance in millimeters. Let's use 0.1 millimeters. For double slit or grating setups, you'll also need to specify the slit separation or grating lines per millimeter. Finally, enter the order number to find specific minima or maxima positions. Click Calculate to see the angular positions of diffraction features, fringe spacing, and intensity distribution information displayed in the Results section. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.